Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on UMKHOKHA, the case from the 24th to the 28th of April 2023 on Monday. Everyone holds their breath about Mabusi's virginity, as this will be a make or break for her entire family. Mam Zobe continues to suffer on Tuesday. Mabusi's world is turned upside down whilst Pamanda is strengthened. Mam Zobe finally gets rid of her nemesis and Kulegane humble himself to win his wife back on Wednesday. Mabusi tried to fight the system, but it leaves her worse than where she had started. The drift between the Mtembo brothers worsened, and the news of Mabusi's private affairs spreads on Thursday. Siphamandla returns home and he takes measures to create magic in his marital bed, but receives a nasty surprise. Mam Zobe is unhappy when an enemy returns to her home. Nompumelelo or Nompendulo has big dreams for her future on Friday. During Kulegane commits the ultimate act of defiance, and there is no coming back from this one. Kapsile steals something from the Mtembos. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.